get up on your feet. What you need to do is catch up with them. Bounce, man, get up on your feet and help me get it.
Viewers tuning into last night's episode of Countryfile were left shocked by the reality of intensive chicken farming in the UK. One of the show's presenters, Tom Heap, was seen visiting farmer Claire Bragg in Somerset, where 28,000 chickens are reared for slaughter in a large barn. Many viewers watching the segment, which showed the chickens existing in highly cramped conditions, were offended by Bragg's suggestion that the poultry were happy with enough room to roam. After the presenter and the farmer are seen striding through the enormous chicken shed, Bragg is asked about the conditions the 28,000 poultry, which aren't seen at full size, live in. She said, "They don't look like they're suffering. There's a lovely noise going on here. They're happy, they can get to food, they can get to water. They're getting everything they need." Many on social media passionately disagreed with Bragg's views. At Helene Elizabeth wrote, "Absolutely horrified with Countryfile presenter and that heartless excuse for a human standing amongst those poor chickens all crammed in together. They clearly don't have everything they need, just look at them." FFS. At Atolidus Forhans added, "Giving chickens exactly what they need really. 10,000 crammed in a shed." At Revivua Wick raged, "Wow, that woman on Countryfile is seriously deluded saying those chickens crammed in like that are happy." Lots of room to move my A*******. The BBC programme's footage then progressed to one of the country's biggest chicken production plants, Cargill's in Herefordshire. Agricultural Director John Reid explained to viewers how the animals are slaughtered. The birds are carried in darkness into chambers where oxygen is reduced until they gently go to sleep, from which they don't recover. The birds are then gutted, plugged and steam cleaned, with the factory processing a staggering 23,000 birds every hour. While many found the program shocking to watch, others suggested that people were being naive if they thought the billion-pound UK chicken industry could operate in any other way. At Manjami wrote, "Outrage from all the town folk who think that chickens roam around the countryside for a couple of years before they are gently put to sleep." Countryfile at Sarah Kirby blog also hit back, saying, "Or how about get your own chickens, rear them yourself, and then slaughter them?"